Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Solve It with Sir Marvin. For today's video, we'll be talking about common mistakes committed by students in computing for average speed. So let's start. So a jeepney travels 60 kilometers at 30 kilometers per hour and another 60 kilometers at 60 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed for the whole trip? So what's the common mistake some students do in solving this problem? So some students tend to just get the average of the two speeds given. So they will just add 30 plus 60 and then divide it by 2. So you'll get 45. So the answer will be 45 kilometers per hour. But this is incorrect. This is wrong. Okay? Why? Because the average speed actually is equal to the total distance traveled over the total time it takes to cover that distance. Okay? So how do we solve this properly? So first, since the jeepney travels 60 kilometers at 30 kilometers per hour the first time, so you make use of the formula speed is equal to distance over time, which converts to time is actually distance over speed. So for the first part of the travel, time number 1 will be 60 kilometers over the speed of 30. So that would result to 2 hours. Okay. And then time number 2 will be the distance in the second part of the travel, which is again another 60 kilometers, but this time with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. So you'll have 1 hour for this second time. And so the average speed will be the total distance traveled. In this case, the total distance traveled is 60 kilometers plus 60 kilometers divided by the total time it will take to travel the whole distance. So we'll have 2 plus 1. So which gives us 120 over 3. And 120 over 3 is actually 40 kilometers per hour. So that's the average speed we are looking for. Easy, right?